My name is Wolfram Harstolz. I'm the commercial manager for tillage, and I'm standing in front of our Carrion 925 equipped with a new front tool here in Kromsdorf, Thuringia. We are on a big cooperative farm with like 2,000 hectares, mainly on fertile heavy clay soils. They are growing, of course, wheat, barley, maize, some corn, sugar beets, and of course oilseed rape. The new front tool, what you can see behind us, is equipped with 3 rows of cross-cutter disc. In this case, we have 2 rows of cross-cutter disc aggressive in the front, followed by a normal cross-cutter disc in the back in the 3rd row. Of course, it will also be possible to order it in a different setup, for example with 3 rows of cross-cutter disc aggressive or 3 rows of cross-cutter disc. And we have developed that front tool for a reason: to improve the work result, the performance when it comes to mixing and crumbling. And we see that as very important to fight a special weed which has spread all over Thuringia, also on that farm here, and also over Europe. Most of you know that weed very well. It's blackgrass, and it has become resistant, herbicide resistant over the last couple of years, and that makes it even worse to fight it. And to fight it in a good way, you need actually 3 pieces. You need to have a healthy crop rotation with summer crops and winter crops, and the change between leaf and stalk crops. You need to have an improved herbicide management, and you need to improve your cultivation. You need to come at the right time, at the right depth, and with the right intensity. And that is actually the reason why I'm standing in front of that machine today here in Kromsdorf with the 3 rows of cross-cutter discs, because you all know that we have a very, very good mixing intensity and crumbling intensity with our cross-cutter discs. And so far we have offered in our machines 2 rows of cross-cutter discs, and simply by adding that extra 3rd row we have the possibility to improve the work result and the performance by 50%, because we have 50% more tools in the machine. Thanks to the fact that we added a 3rd row, we were able to decrease the disc-to-disc distance from 12.5 down to 8.2 centimeters, and that gives us the advantage that we break and cut more intensive, that we mix more intensive, and that we crumble more intensive. And when it comes to blackgrass, for example, it's important because then we are able to emerge more blackgrass, and when we do the 2nd stubble cultivation or the 3rd stubble cultivation, we can kill the blackgrass more effectively. Of course, the machine is not just developed to fight blackgrass. We can do, for sure, normal stubble cultivation after grain, after oilseed rape, whatever you grow on your farm. We can do 2nd pass stubble cultivation. We can do seedbed preparation both in fall and in the spring. And it's also a very good tool to mix in a dyed catch crop, for example, in spring, to prepare the seedbed for sugar beet or for corn and maize. When it comes to the working depth of that new front tool, we basically recommend the same as we did with the former setup of our cross-cutter discs in our carriers. From my experience, 1 to 5 centimeters works best. The right speed in that case would be 15 to 19 k's, as long as the driver sits comfortable in the tractor's cab and we don't have a lot of stones in the field. Important is that we keep the right speed, both uphill and downhill, so we have a good mixing and crumbling intensity. This new front tool is only available with cross-cutter discs and only available in a wheat disc setup. There are 3 different options you can choose from. The first option will be cross-cutter disc, only in all 3 rows, and that is best to choose when we have light soil conditions or mid-heavy soil conditions. When the machine is equipped, as you can see behind me, with 2 rows of cross-cutter disc aggressive, and the 3rd row is with cross-cutter disc. That is best to choose for heavy clay soils. Then you open up the surface under tough conditions with the cross-cutter disc aggressives, and you do the finish with the cross-cutter discs. And when you have really heavy clay soils or tough to prentate soils, when they are hard and dried out, or when you have a lot of tough residues you want to break and cut, then you choose the 3-row cross-cutter disc aggressive option. What's the main advantages with this machine, with this special front tool? I think it's mainly the ability of mixing and crumbling, and the fact that we achieve a very good fall seed bed, and that we improve our cutout, that we improve the mixing intensity. We have seen in recent trials that we move straw in driving direction, so we also improve that when the combine is harvesting under tricky conditions, not spreading the straw or the full working width, or when we have side winds and so on. So it's actually a lot of things we improve, but with all the things we improve comes one thing at all, and that is the fact that it saves the farmer passes. It saves the farmer time, it saves the farmer fuel, so he's in the end more efficient with its tillage.